Hey guys, it's me Shanger again, back again with another video. And now I got my speakers back again, and we're gonna do a review on them, a sound quality test on them. So yeah, so what we got here is the Blackweb Sound Splash, which is splash proof. And this right here is the Blackweb Sound Pebble. Then we got the On Mini Bluetooth speaker. Then we got the iHome, which is a wired speaker, not a Bluetooth one. And then we got the Essential Bluetooth speaker. So we're going to be playing a non-copyrighted song, which is cartoon Why We Lose. So yeah, let's get started from the Essential and all the way to the Blackweb Sound Splash. Okay, so let's start from half and we'll go full. Let's go.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So as you can tell, that's the Essential Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, there's lots of distortion in the music. And yeah, so that was my first Bluetooth speaker I've gotten. That's why I didn't really know about them. So that's why it's not as good as you'll see as these ones. So next one, we got my brother's iHome, and we'll test that out now. Same song, same concept. So let's go. This is half.
I
And we'll
don't
turn
know
it up.
what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. Why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So that was the iHome speaker, and now we'll go to the On Mini Bluetooth speaker. So again, same concept, half, and we'll go all the way to full. So let's get started.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
So that was the on MIDI Bluetooth speaker, and yeah, that had good bass, good trebles, good pretty much everything. So that right there was $20, just to tell you. It's a pretty good price for how loud it goes. And now we got the Blackweb Sound Pebble, and yeah, let's do the same thing with this half, and then I'll tell you when I get to max. So let's go.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
So that's the Blackweb Sound Pebble, and that's really loud too, and that was $30. And yeah, as you can see, this one had hard bass, this is soft bass. And yeah, let's move on to the Blackweb Sound Splash, and same concept. We're gonna keep it at half, then I'll tell you when it gets to max. Make sure if you're wearing headphones, turn it down because it might be really loud. So let's get started.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
So that was the Blackweb Sound Splash. As you can see, that was the loudest one out of all of them. And yeah, that's the sound quality test of all my speakers. So see you guys later, and make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. See you guys. Peace out.